crude oil trading sideways and failing to break past the higher highs level. However, it is continuing to create the higher highs there. At the same time, NG is not slowing up. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position to we can take in crude oil and NG today? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end and listen to the levels carefully. Now, this is the hourly charts for crude oil, and you can find there is a reversal here and there is a reversal here. So only short entry I will recommend on crude oil is below 117.5 levels. So if you see it trading below 117.5, go short for 117.2 and then it will come back till towards 116.5. Remember, I told you 116.5 and 116, these levels you should mark out for, you should watch out for. Any move beyond these levels is definitely going to make it little bit bearish. However, for the whole week, for the last couple of days, we have seen it getting strong support from these levels and it is creating consistently higher highs, indicating there is lot much bullishness on the upside. 120 is the level we can be watchful of. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic is dropping on the hourly charts. MACD is trading parallel and in green. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts here, on the 2-hour charts, you will find that, see, first of all, looking at the closer look, there is a support here at 117.8 and this is the levels beyond which one can expect that there could be little bearishness, but only short entry I will recommend is below 117.5. Then one can expect 117.2 and then 116.5 levels will come into picture, very strong support, and below that we may see a sharper drop in oil till towards 115.5 levels. On the upside, breaking past 118.5, you can go long there. Then the target is going to be 119 first target and then it can try to hit 120 levels. So in between 117.5 and 118.5, do not trade. Directional movement on the 2-hour charts is bearish. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is without any deviation or variance there. The RSI is sloping flat there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you will find that, see, the previous candles, the pivot here is somewhere at 117 levels, lower lows and higher highs. So it is trying to trade in this pivot. Now where the support is almost 115.5, 115 zone, and on the upside 119.5, it is trying to trade in this zone, and in fact largely if you say 115 to 120 levels. So it is possible that it may try to strike the support at 117 and then bounce back from there. There is a probability which exists. So yes, anyways, the trading levels remain same in between 117.5 and 118.5. Do not trade. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is trading in red and it is trading parallel. RSI trading flat too. Not much of indication on either of the indications or any of the indicators. Now look at the 4-hour chart. See, rise, retracement, rise, lower highs, and now trying to drop again. So yes, how far this could go? Drop. The support there at 115.5 is going to be strong, so one can go short below 117.5, expecting it to hit 117.2, may give a support, and then below that we may see it dropping till towards 116.5, 116, and if it drops below 116, we will be looking forward to 115.5. Till 115.5 it has got stronger support, and below that we may see a drop there, and above 118.5 go long. Very simple. Directional movement is bearish, but it is trading with little divergence. The stochastic is near to overbought levels and probably it may try to drop. The MACD is trading with a bearish bias, however running flat there. The RSI is also sloping downwards. Now let's have a look on the daily charts. On the daily charts, if you look at, see, on the daily charts, it is still very much trading in this upward trending channel. The support here at 115 is strong. Now look at this, the next candle is yet to begin on crude oil. We have seen two little red candles. Now it is trying to reverse, probably breaking past 120. There is still lot much to cover on the upside for crude oil. We may see it hitting till towards 120 to 23 zone, and yes, only short entry I will recommend is below 117.56, creating the support there or creating the bottom there. It can try to reverse again. There is a possibility. See, this candle may end in doji there at around 117.5. The next candle may start in red and probably getting the support at 115.5, 115 zone. It can try to reverse again and try to achieve 120 levels. So probably yes, there is a wider swing which can be expected. So always trade with the stop loss there. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is trying to converge and RSI is trading flat. Considering this, go short at 117.5, but remember it has stronger supports existing till 113, 115.5, 115 levels. So yes, you can remain short above below 117.5, target 117.2, 116, and then below that we may see 115.5 and 115. Till 115 it can bounce back again for 120, 122 levels. So always trade with the stop loss, always keep trailing your targets, or either at every milestone close some of your positions and re-enter again if possible, so that in the case of a reversal you can still be in profit. That is what I am trying to say. And if you see it trading above 118.5, go long for 119.5 and then 120, and if it breaks past 120 we will be looking forward to 121, 122 zone. It is going to hit 122 if it continues to trade above 120. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. See, NG has created a double top on the hourly charts. This was the rally, consolidation, rally, double top, drop, consolidation. Now it is trying to drop again. Possibly once you see it trading below 9.32 US, you can go short below 9.32. One can expect it to drop till towards 9.25, 9.2 levels, and this time it can go till towards 9.1 levels. So go short below 9.32 levels and you can expect a drop there. Directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, so similar is the story. Created a double top after this sharp drop, trying to retrace back up on the little bit, but again a red candle can appear and then it may try to take a dip till towards $9 levels. There is a possibility that it can drop till towards $9 levels, but stay cautious. NG is the only bullish thing throughout this world which we have seen, and yes, any long entry on NG is only above 9 point, you can see this zone at 9.45. here you can go long. If it breaks past 9.45 you can go long. So possibly beyond 9.45 I will be again looking forward to 9.5 levels, which is going to provide stronger resistance. And yes, if it breaks past 9.5 there is nothing like that, we can see a sharper rally again. However, for now it appears 9.32 is the level below which one can remain short for 9.25, 9.2, and below that we may see $9 levels also. The stochastic is entering into overbought levels. MACD is trading flat. The RSI is looking downwards on the 2-hour chart. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too similar is the story, and with that as support at 9.2, it is trying to retrace back a little, but this retracement is nothing but just a minor retracement after this sharper drop, and hence possibly another red candle may appear which will try to take it towards on the downside. Probably 9.2, 9.1 and $9 levels can be achieved if it continues to trade below these levels. Look at this, right now it is trying to give you lower highs, higher lows. Only long entry above 8.45, only short entry below 8.32. Directional movement is bullish here, trying to diverge again. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to cross over for a bearish entry there, for a sell there. RSI is near to top there, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too similarly you can find, see there is a resistance on the top side, lower high is getting created and it is trying to create this low, and probably once it breaks past 9.32, yes, you can expect that we may see a little drop on the downside. The target is towards 9.25, 9.2, and then below that it is going to break till towards 9.1 and $9 levels can be expected if it continues to trade on the downside. So yes, directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is trying to reverse. The MACD is trying to converge for a bearish move. The RSI is near to top there. So yes, mixed indication. However, most of the indications are overbought on larger time frames. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, it is trying to trade in this channel. Higher highs, the upside is still wide open there, but it is getting the resistance at 9.5, so it may try to cool down a little bit before it resumes the bull run. The support there at 8.5, 8.6 is going to be strong now, and yes, till the time it trades, if it breaks past 9.5, nothing like that, it is going to fly high again. So see, if you see it breaking past this zone, $9.5 levels again, it is going to fly high on the upside till towards $10 levels. So yes, go long above 9.45 for the first target at 9.5 and 9.55. Beyond that, we may see it flying high. On the downside, go short at 9.32 for 9.25, 9.2, and then it will come back to 9.1 and $9 levels. Below that, you can see expect a little drop till towards 8.8, 8.7 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 8.32 and 8.45 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD has crossed over for a bullish move. Again, it was trading bearish, and RSI looking downward. So I have already told you the levels 8.32 and 8.45. It's a no trade zone. Above that, still it will get a resistance at 9.5 and 9.55 levels. Beyond that, it will fly high. On the downside, there is a resistance or support, you can say, at $9.2 levels. Below that, it will fail or drop sharply. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. You do join my mentorship batch. Do join my VIP signals group, or you can be part of my free Telegram channel also. Details are mentioned in the video and channel description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.